Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Australian dollar versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with Australian dollar versus US dollar first. So basically what I found here on this 4-hour time frame is that market is trading higher and that we have a rising trend line, and that market rejected of this a support zone at 0.687, and that we even broke the resistance, this short-term resistance at 0.6715. Plus additionally we have the market that's coming from oversold area, and we have a fresh flip up here on the stochastic, so there is a chance for the full retest of this resistance cluster at 0.6790 level or 0.6800 mark. So upside potential is in the play on the Australian dollar versus US dollar. If we speak about the gold market, again, there is a rising trend line, and the market had quite a significant tail, a buying tail yesterday. So there is a definitely chance for the higher prices, and at least for the price to rotate back towards this 2011 or 2014 level. And then if there is even further power, and there's a bigger power, then there is potentially a chance for the price to even go higher to fully retest the 2047 mark. Again, the key support zone here was this area here, where the market rejected pretty significant rejection and a strong tail. And if you check the stochastic is way oversold, and we have we had initially the first one, the first cross. They did just a bit of rally, and then this is a second cross, which we may even seen some bigger movement on the gold and upside continuation. So pay attention on this and those levels. Now, speaking of the crude oil market, it also went from oversold area now and it's trying to back to the upside move, and this whole area basically is a one giant support area. And from my perspective, there is a chance for the upside price. So this whole downside move might be just the ABC correction, and there is a potential for the higher prices on the crude oil, and eventually to revisit 81.80 level, and maybe even fully to go into this zone around 83 mark. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, Bitcoin reached our downside objective, the first one, around 29,100. And now basically we have a tail there and rejection. So this is a quite important support, and we have rejection. So, and the stochastic is also flipping up. So there is a chance for the higher prices and potential retest of 30,200 mark. And there's even bigger power, maybe even potential for test of 30,490 mark. So this is a quite significant buying tail this morning, and you can also see the stochastic was already sitting in an oversold area. So there is a chance for that upside continuation on the Bitcoin. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy, guys. It will be all for this morning. Trade safe and speak to you from tomorrow morning.